So you may have tried some AI tools, some artificial intelligence to do some writing or to give you some inspiration for writing. Well, Canva has now added that to their tools. So now you can combine a tool like Canva that you already know with some amazing AI writing software. So if you're ready to jump in, I am too. I'm Jeanne with Six Figure Business Coaching, and let's get designing. So if you haven't already started to use the magic from Canva, go ahead and open your account and click on each one of the presents that's in there, and it will reveal a new tool that you or your marketing VA can use to create amazing content faster than ever before. Try out another feature on Canva. It's called Magic Write. And you know the popularity right now of AI software. Well, this is Canva's own AI-powered writing software. So, you know, when you're stuck for wording or ideas, concept, you're just not sure how to get the words out. So this is going to help us generate sentence, paragraph, list, outline, any of those things. So we're going to go ahead and try it out. How about 5 ways video enhances your marketing? So if we wanted to do, for example, a carousel post and we wanted to have 5 images on it, we could use these 5 ideas. Now, whenever I use AI, I always like to change it around a little bit to make it more custom, because you think about it, if someone else requests this same or a very similar title, you are now going to probably have the same information. So again, I always like to take this as an idea and then customize it a little bit. Video is more engaging, has been shown to be more engaging than written content. It allows for visual storytelling. So even something as simple as that, now you've kind of edited and made it your own. So again, now you can use this if you wanted to do maybe a pin on Pinterest, you can use this wording. Maybe if you wanted to have some kind of animation, you could have the words come up on the screen. So this is just such a wonderful tool to be able to create something from it. Now over here, we can actually convert this to a presentation. So there's a warning here that says this is still new. Some of these are still in beta, so it might not work perfectly well. But let's go ahead and use this. So I'm going to change up this color, and I can click over here. This little Canva Assist allows me to do some things here that I couldn't do before. It has some of the things that are in the top, but it has some other things as well. So maybe we'll go back and forth between the purple and the green, because those are our brand colors, which you can see over here. And let's present it and we'll see what happens. So the way it's been designed, you can see the background image stays the same, but it's moving ever so slowly up. You know, it's a good start, and that's where you see here it says photo rise. So we could change it to photo flow, photo zoom. Let's zoom in. And then I'm gonna make that bigger. And then with these, I would take this and make this a little bit different. So maybe make it all caps. You know, you can italicize this or make it a different font. Nope, you don't want to make it something fancy like that. If you're going to use a fancy font, I would use it on a lot smaller text. I like the paragraphs to be a nice, clean, easy to read text. And then the headings to be, if you want to get a little fancy there. Now this one, it looks a little smushed to me, so I would take this letter spacing and just increase a little bit. And then let's change photo rise on this one too to photo zoom. So maybe one of them zooms in, one page zooms in, one page zooms out. So let's see, we did it on this one. So let's go ahead and present, see what it looks like. So those are both zooming out, and then you can see the other ones we hadn't changed. Yep. So if we wanted this to be zoom in, we can leave that for zoom out. Then we did this. So you can see you can customize this in the normal way that you would, but what a great opportunity to have to be able to use the AI tool to write and then easily turn that into a presentation that you can then customize. So have fun playing around with this amazing AI tool from Canva. If you don't want to be the one using these tools to be more creative, be sure and share this video with your marketing VA. It's going to help them create content for you faster than ever before. I hope this has been really helpful for you. Thanks so much for being here. I have some resources to add video marketing along with a marketing virtual assistant to your team. Then check out the resources below this video. See you in the next video. So if you found this information helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and ring the bell to be notified every time we post a new video.